Hello guys, in this video I am about to show you how to find frequently asked questions in the PremierLeague application. The very first thing you need to do is access the app. After doing that, so you will see that you have down below 5 options to click to. You should click on the more option. After doing that, you need to scroll down a little bit and you will see here the frequently asked questions as FAQ shortened. Click on it. And here it will appear basically every question that you wanna know regarding the app or important parts like how to delete your account. So you will find every useful question here that may apply to you. And that's pretty much about it. I hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.